If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. There are several photo effects which are similar to filters that you can apply to your images. To do this, select Window, Effects from the menu bar to open the Effects panel. Alternatively, if you're using the basic workspace, you can click the Effects button towards the right end of the taskbar to view the same effects panel. Then use the Select a Type drop-down that appears at the top of the Effects panel to select a category of photo effects to display within the panel. Hover your mouse over the effects in the panel to see their names in a screen tip. Click an effect choice shown in this panel to immediately apply it. Different effects are applied in different ways. Some effects create a new layer above the existing layers in the file. Others may change the actual layer selected before applying the effect. To undo an effect that you have applied after applying it, use either the History panel or the Undo command to reverse your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.